Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create desktop shortcuts on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different ways. If it's an application already installed in your computer, so for example, if we were to go ahead and into the search menu and look for Chrome, you could right click on the application you want to create a shortcut for and select Open File Location. More than likely than not, it's already a shortcut in here. So you could just right click on it and then you could select the copy icon or tap Control C on your keyboard and then just would right click on a blank area for desktop and then just paste it in. So you can see this is paste shortcut, and that's one way you can do it. If you want to do it another way, you could just right click on your desktop, and this is maybe not so much if it's an application, it's a little bit not as easy as what I just showed. So you could just right click on your desktop and select where it says new and then select shortcut. At this point, go ahead and just type in the location of the item. So if you have to go into File Explorer here, so looks like I accidentally closed out of that window, but no matter. Let's just go ahead and actually locate the location. So let's open up File Explorer here. Best match is say File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. And you can navigate to wherever on your computer you want to create the shortcut for. But let's say I'm going to go underneath my PC and I'm going to go locate a program here. So let's say underneath local disk and then program files times 86. And then we see there's different folders in here. So I don't know why Internet Explorer files are in here. But anyway, let's just go ahead and select Windows Defender, for example. And you see we have this application here. We can go ahead and right click on it and select Properties. We could right click on it and select where it says Copy as Path. And then it'll be right click on the desktop, select New, and then Shortcut. You can go right click in this field and paste in the path and then select Next. And that would give you a shortcut on your desktop. So pretty straightforward. Obviously, the program needs to be able to run, so it might just say setup or installer or something like that. So this is a little bit more advanced, this second option here. But I just wanted to give you guys an example. If you were to actually locate a file or folder on your computer, you could do it for folders, files. It doesn't have to just be programs, but pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.